Presenting Amazon brand Solimo Canes Engineered Wood King Bed with Box Storage. This bed is manufactured using European standard particle board. Along with an elegant design and curvilinear edges, this bed features a spacious box storage for storing clothes, toys and more. The bed has undergone dynamic loading testing and is durability tested for 21,000 cycles and edge stability tested for 10,000 cycles. It has surpassed more than 20 quality and safety tests and is free from burrs and sharp edges for enhanced safety. This bed provides adequate support and has a load-bearing capacity of 360 kilograms. It is free from harmful toxins and chemicals. The bed comes in two color variants of walnut and wenge. The dimensions of this bed are 74.6 inches in length by 86.81 inches in width by 37.63 inches in height. The recommended mattress size for this bed is 78 inches by 72 inches. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery and installation of this product at a day and time of your convenience. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.